The Noisy Airplane Ride, written by Mike Downs, illustrated by David Gordon. Stomp, stomp, tromp, down the jetway with a grin, take your seat and buckle in. A vent above sends cool air, it makes you blink and blows your hair. Whoosh! Chug, chug. The tug's hooked up, you won't be late, time to push back from the gate. The engines start one by one. Smoke might puff when this is done. On the wings, the flaps slide down. They'll help the plane get off the ground. Thumpity thump. The wheels bump on taxi out. Ground controllers choose your route. Throttles forward, engines roar. Down the runway, time to soar. Clunk, wheels up. Whirr, flaps up. Rattle, rattle, shake. There's bumpy air as you ascend. See how the wings are made to bend? Thrum, thrum, thrum. The engines hum throughout the flight, never stopping, day or night. Ding! The seatbelt sign goes out. Flight attendants walk about. Splash! Oh no, you tipped your cup. That's okay, just wipe it up. Shook. The lavatory latch can slide to make the sign show occupied. Whoosh! Don't let the airplane toilet flush scare you with its noisy gush. Click! Just push the button for some light and you can read this book at night. Ding! The sign's back on, it's time to land. You'll get to hear more noise again. Thrum. Throttles back as you descend. Your in-flight cruise is at an end. Whirr. Flaps down. Ker-chunk clunk. Wheels down. Ert. The wheels touch. You're on the ground. Next, the pilots slow you down. Reversers help the plane to slow by changing where the thrust will go. Shoulda, the airplane rumbles, sometimes shakes. Lots of planes have noisy brakes. Whirr, flaps up, thumpity thump. The wheels bump along again as the airplane taxis in. Click, clack, thud, thump, shuffle, stomp, swish. At the gate, you're almost done. People take their bags and run. Hello, over here. Hey, that sounds not from our ride. It's Grandma waiting just inside. The end.